to my channel. It's been a little while since I've done a sort of to camera piece, but I have something very exciting to share. I recently got back into Krav Maga. I found a great local group in South London, great for self-defense, great for fitness, and just to make you feel a bit more confident and able to handle yourself on the street. Obviously with the first premise being run away if you can. But the exciting thing is I got a lot of the kind of gear associated with the class from my mum, thank you mum, for my birthday. So as I have very little else going on in my life right now, I decided I was going to open it on camera because I feel like that's something that people do. Okay, so I did actually ask my mum for this, and I looked on the website and saw what was in the package, and I've just immediately forgotten. So I'm just gonna have a little look so I can work out how to do it without... Well, this knife needs much of a sharpen. Fuck it, we're gonna go old school. We're gonna go old school. So excited. Okay, so what have we got in here? So first things, very important. If you get hit in the crotch, you feel it slightly less. So I've got my groin guard. And well, last night I tried to kick someone and ended up just sort of clanging my own shins off of them. Which they sort of cringed in appreciation for the level of pain that it should have caused me. I do have a small bruise, but to try and mitigate that, I have my shin guards. What else are going on here? And of course, the gloves. The gloves themselves. I'm going to open these up a bit more so you guys can see. So, gloves here. Cool. I'm very excited about this stuff. Like when I get into something, I tend to get really way too much into it. So it's going to be so cool to have all my own gear. Take it to the class. Although there really is no other way to put on the gloves other than sort of do that. So there are the gloves there, fetching shade of red. And those are the three things in the sort of starter pack. So there is no more in there, but just to reiterate, things to punch and things to not be hurt so much when you get punched or kicked, or when you do it and you end up doing it badly. So yeah, this stuff is really cool. I'm really excited, looking forward to using it and to having all my own gear in class. And also, clearly I need to sharpen this knife because it did absolutely nothing there at all. So it was good for a while, but it's gone downhill. Okay, so that's my very short little video. Thanks so much guys for watching. There will be more adventure soon, just as soon as I can afford to go and do more adventure. I am really keen to go and do some winter walking, winter climbing in Scotland this coming winter, obviously it's winter. So keep tuned on that. I'm just about to move house, so it may be a small delay in actually booking that because I'm not made of money. But once I book that and get that all sorted, I'll let you guys know so you've got something to look forward to. But there will be stuff in between, it won't just be that. We got some mud runs to come up as well. So thanks so much guys for watching, thanks to my subscribers, and hope to see you soon.